To begin, make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, chain 2, 1 and 2. Skip the first chain from your hook, go through this chain, make 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3. You make 6 single crochets in the same chain space, 4, 5, and 6. After making 6 single crochets, we have finished round 1 and I'm marking the end of round 1. We are not going to make a slip stitch. We will be working in rounds. So we have 6 single crochets. Go through the first single crochet, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is 1. Make another one to make them 2, 2. In the next stitch, make only 1 single crochet. Repeat the pattern until the end. The next stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The next one, 1 single crochet. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. You'll get to the end. At the end of row 2, the marked stitch marks the beginning of the next round, which is round 3. Before working on it, you remove it this way, go through this stitch, and the next one we make 1 single crochet in each. So this is 1. Go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. The next one we make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1 and a single crochet in the same stitch to make them 2, 2. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochets in the same stitch in the next. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. You'll get to the end. At the end of round 3, the marked stitch marks the beginning of round 4. Before working on it, you remove it, going through the stitch. Then in 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each one of them. This is 1. Go to the next 2. Go to the next 3. The next stitch, make an increase, that is 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is 1. Make the second one 2. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. The next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. The next stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat 2 more times to get to the end. Round 4 is complete. To begin round 5, remove the stitch marker. Make an increase in the first stitch, that is 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is 1. Make the second one 2. After that, the next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1, go to the next, 2, go to the next, 3, go to the next, 4. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. The next 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. Repeat the pattern 2 more times to get to the end. Round 5 is complete. To begin round 6, remove the stitch marker. Then the next 5 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them, beginning from where we removed the stitch marker. This is 1. Go to the next 2. Go to the next 3. Go to the next 4. Go to the next 5. After that, the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1. Another single crochet in the same stitch. 2. Repeat the pattern until the end. 5 single crochets in the next 5 stitches, then the next stitch 2 single crochets in the same stitch, repeat 2 more times to get to the end. Row 6 is complete. To begin row 7, remove the stitch marker, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch where you removed the stitch marker. This is one, make another one, 2. The next 6 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat the pattern. The next 2 single crochets in the same stitch, the next 6 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. Repeat the pattern 2 more times to get to the end. Row 7 is complete. To begin row 8, the next 3 rows we are making 1 single crochet into every stitch across. Make 1 single crochet into every stitch across. This is row 8. Continue making 1 single crochet when you get to the end. Still continue making 1 single crochet across. Then I'll meet you at the end of round 10. At the end of round 10, this is what I have. Now we are going to decrease. We make 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches, decrease the next. So make 1 single crochet, go to the next, make 1 single crochet, and then you go through the front loop of this stitch and the front loop of the next stitch. We crochet them together. So you go through the front loop and go through the next stitch, its front loop, draw a loop and make a single crochet. So we have crocheted 2 stitches together, and you repeat that pattern until the end. The next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. This is one. Go to the next, make the second single crochet. We crochet the next 2 stitches together. You go through the front loop of this one and the front loop of the next. Draw a loop through both loops and make a single crochet. Repeat until the end. You make 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. After the end of round 11, you will remove the stitch marker and slip stitch. After chaining 50, leave some tail that we will use in stitching later. To make the stem, make a slip knot, chain 2, make 6 single crochets in the first chain, continue until you have 6. We have made 2. I'm marking the end of round 1. To begin round 2, go through the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in every stitch, two single crochets in every stitch across. Round 2 is complete. The marked stitch marks the beginning of the next round, which is round 3. In round 3, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1, make the second one, 2. The next stitch, make 1 single crochet only and repeat the pattern. The next stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The next one, 1 single crochet, repeat that until the end. Round 3 is complete. The marked stitch marks the beginning of round 4. You remove the stitch marker before working on it. In round 4, in 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each one of them. This is one. Go to the next, make a single crochet. The next one, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1 and the second in the same stitch. 2. Repeat the pattern until the end. In the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet into each one of them. The next stitch, only 1 single crochet and repeat the pattern until the end of round 4. After the end of round 4, to begin round 5, make 1 single crochet into every stitch across. I'll meet you at the end. 1 single crochet into every stitch across. I will meet you at the end. This is row 5. When you get at the end of round 5, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch where you removed the stitch marker. Chain 6. After chaining 6, skip the first chain space, go through the second chain space and slip stitch. Go through the next chain space, make a single crochet. Go through the next one, make a single crochet. Go through the next one, make 1 half double crochet. Go through the next one, make a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, slip stitch in the next one. Repeat the pattern 7 more times. You chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain space, go through the second and slip stitch. The next 2 chain spaces, 1 single crochet into each one of them. This is one. Go to the next. This is the second single crochet. The next, make 1 half double crochet. And the next, make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches and slip stitch. Continue that way until you have 8 petals. We have made 2, make 6 more. I'll meet you at the end. After making 8 petals, this is the 8th one. I'll skip 2, slip stitch into this first one. One, two, three. I fold it to identify the exact point on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Then after that, I fold to identify the other point. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was, kindly leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.